The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just another supercar. It's a statement. It's Ferrari reminding the world that when it comes to pushing the boundaries of performance, design, and technology, they still sit at the very top. This is the spiritual successor to legends like the Ferrari LaFerrari, the Ferrari F40, and the Ferrari Enzo. And just like those icons, the F80 isn't built to follow trends. It's built to set them. From the very first glance, the F80 looks like it escaped from a Le Mans pit lane. The design is aggressive, low, and unbelievably purposeful. The front fascia features an ultra-wide stance, razor-sharp LED lighting, and massive air intakes that aren't just for show. Every vent, every crease, every carbon fiber surface exists for aerodynamic efficiency. Ferrari engineers didn't just design a car. They sculpted airflow. The front splitter is active, adjusting depending on speed and driving mode to optimize downforce. As you move to the side, you notice the dramatic side channels carved into the bodywork. These deep aerodynamic tunnels feed air toward the rear, cooling critical components and stabilizing the car at extreme speeds. The profile is clean but muscular, with massive rear haunches that remind you this is a mid-engine monster. At the rear, the F80 becomes even more dramatic. A huge active rear wing works in harmony with an advanced diffuser system. The taillights are slim and futuristic, seamlessly integrated into the body. And then there's the exhaust note waiting to erupt from the sculpted rear outlets. Even standing still, this car looks fast. It looks dangerous. It looks like it belongs on a racetrack. Step inside and you immediately realize Ferrari has taken a different approach compared to traditional luxury interiors. This is not about plush comfort. It's about focus. It's about the driver. The cabin feels like a fighter jet cockpit. Carbon fiber dominates the space, from the dashboard to the center console to the door panels. Alcantara and lightweight materials replace heavy luxury trims because weight is the enemy of speed. The steering wheel is a work of art. Inspired directly by Formula One, it's packed with controls, LED shift lights, and the iconic Manettino dial that allows you to switch between driving modes instantly. Everything you need is at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, delivering performance data, navigation, and hybrid system information in crystal clear graphics. The seating position is extremely low, almost hugging the chassis. The seats themselves are thin, fixed-back carbon fiber buckets designed to hold you in place during brutal cornering. Even the passenger seat is slightly set back, emphasizing the driver-first philosophy. Ferrari engineers focused on making this cabin an extension of the car's performance rather than a separate luxury environment. Now let's talk about what truly makes the F80 extraordinary: performance. Underneath that sculpted body sits a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. Ferrari has combined a high-revving twin-turbocharged V6 engine with multiple electric motors derived from Formula One technology. The result is mind-blowing. We're talking about a combined output approaching 1,200 horsepower. Yes, 1,200 horsepower. That puts the F80 in hypercar territory reserved for the absolute elite. Power is sent through an advanced dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than you can blink. The hybrid system not only adds power but also enhances torque fill, eliminating turbo lag and delivering instant throttle response. Acceleration figures are simply outrageous. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 2 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour takes less than 5 seconds. And the top speed pushes beyond 217 miles per hour. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're almost difficult to comprehend in a road-legal car. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Ferrari's expertise in chassis dynamics truly shines here. The F80 uses a next-generation carbon fiber monocoque that is lighter and stiffer than anything before it. Advanced active suspension constantly adjusts damping to match road conditions and driving style. Rear-wheel steering improves agility at lower speeds and stability at higher speeds. The braking system is equally extreme. Massive carbon ceramic discs provide relentless stopping power. Combine that with advanced brake-by-wire technology and regenerative braking from the hybrid system, and you get incredible control under heavy deceleration. On a track, the F80 feels planted, precise, and unbelievably responsive. One of the most impressive aspects is how the hybrid system enhances performance rather than dulling it. In electric-only mode, the F80 can glide silently for short distances, perfect for city driving or early morning departures. Switch to performance mode, and the entire system transforms. The electric motors deliver immediate torque while the V6 screams toward its redline. The sound is raw, mechanical, and emotional. It may not be a traditional V12, but it has its own fierce character. Technology in the F80 goes beyond the drivetrain. Ferrari has integrated advanced telemetry systems that allow drivers to record lap times, analyze performance data, and even review driving metrics in real time. It's like having a race engineer built into your dashboard. This car encourages you to push limits while giving you the tools to improve. Despite its extreme focus, the F80 still includes essential modern features. There's a premium audio system, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety without interfering with performance. However, make no mistake, comfort and convenience are secondary to speed and engagement. Now let's address the question everyone is asking: how much does it cost? The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to carry a starting price well north of $3 million. And that's before customization. Ferrari's bespoke program allows buyers to tailor nearly every aspect of the car, from unique paint finishes to custom interior materials. With options, it's easy to see the final price climbing significantly higher. Production will be extremely limited. Ferrari wants to maintain exclusivity, ensuring the F80 remains a rare and highly collectible machine. Much like the Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta, values are expected to remain strong, possibly even appreciating over time. The F80 isn't just about numbers or status. It represents the future direction of Ferrari. A future where electrification and raw performance coexist. A future where sustainability and extreme speed are not opposites but partners. Ferrari has proven that hybrid technology can enhance emotion rather than remove it. Driving the F80 is described as intense, almost overwhelming in the best possible way. The steering is razor sharp. The throttle response is immediate. The car communicates every detail of the road surface. Yet, despite its insane capabilities, it remains surprisingly controllable thanks to advanced electronics and chassis engineering. When you compare it to other hypercars in its class, the F80 stands out because of its heritage. Ferrari's decades of racing dominance influence every component. This isn't a company experimenting. This is a brand refining its expertise. In many ways, the F80 feels like a bridge between Ferrari's legendary past and its electrified future. It carries the DNA of icons while embracing cutting-edge innovation. It respects tradition but refuses to be trapped by it. For collectors, the F80 is a trophy. For drivers, it's a weapon. For Ferrari, it's a bold declaration that the age of electrification does not mean the end of passion. Instead, it marks the beginning of a new chapter. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is extreme, exclusive, and unapologetically focused. It challenges what we believe is possible in a road car. It blends art and engineering in a way only Ferrari can. And while very few people will ever own one, everyone can appreciate what it represents. This isn't just another hypercar. This is Ferrari redefining performance once again. And if this is the future of the prancing horse, it's a future that looks incredibly fast.